Hi, so today is a very good weather day and we both are like very happy because since last few days like Delhi was very tough to live without AC. With AC it would have been good, but without AC, so we don't have AC in our life, so it was very difficult. The temperature was like 43 degrees Celsius and we both were dying. Pali at least had a backup, like whenever she feel very hot she comes to me and she show me some signal, then I know that like she wants to go inside the fridge. So so I opened the refrigerator for her and she goes inside. Then after like cooling herself, then she comes out. Her life was good, but for me I had like no other options left. It was very hot for me. I was working day and night and it was very hot for me. Even at the night time I couldn't sleep at all. But this week the weather forecast says that there will be rain, like 26 to 56% rain. So I'm very happy about it. So people like me who don't or couldn't afford AC are very happy with this weather. And also like, oof, okay. And also Pali has grown up a lot, you can see. Pali bahut lambi ho gaya hai. Ooh. Oh, it's drizzling. Oh, it's drizzling. Okay. So we are shifting to our new rain this week. Today is Sunday. We are shifting on Tuesday or Wednesday. So we are very happy for that. There is a bigger space and we are gonna go there. Pali will get a place to like play around. Here the place is congested, so Pali like can't go. And so we are very excited for that. I already told you that it's 2 BHK. So I have thought a lot about decorating that house and I'm gonna do that. And also my friends are coming to Delhi. I'm very excited to meet them. And they are coming to Delhi for the first time. And after that we are going to Himachal and Kashmir for a tour. Okay, I'm gonna travel for like I'm gonna travel after like 2.5 months and I'm very happy about it. After completing all the work I'm going for a break. I'm very happy about it. And also the COVID situation these days are going down, so there is no more lockdown here in Delhi. So I'm gonna show you the clip of the new rain after this, and you can tell me in the comment section like which rain you like, this one or that one. I of course like this one, but 1 BHK. So as I told you, like it was very much hot in Delhi, so I got all these like gamoris here in my forehead and also here everywhere, like everywhere. So these days it's like decreasing because I'm putting like powder and continuously taking bath and cleaning this and this area. So yes, it was too much hot. Come, it's your food time. Come, sit. No, sit. Okay, good girl. So Pali and me are So Pali and me are going to see our new house. Construction is still going on there. Oh, sorry. You don't want to go to new house? Huh? Okay. We already saw the house, but still, like, wants to see it again. So this is the new space. Here, the kitchen. Okay. This time we have this cabinet, and here's the washroom. Okay, and this is a room. Okay, actually I wanted to live here in this room, but the bathroom is not attached, so I'm not sure about it. So here is the balcony. Okay, and this will be my view for here. Like there are lots of space here because this rain is in the terrace, so there are a lot of space here. Yes, this is the view from this side. And okay, I'm going inside again. Is the next room. Okay. Here is the huge Godrej, and there is bathroom attached here. So let me share this incident with you guys. So recently what happened is, like, someone who is living like next to my next to my rent, sharing a same wall, and also the balcony is attached, and there is only a thing in between. So from the below, Pearly can go cross their boundary and go to their balcony. So during the night time, Pearly feels very hot and Pearly go like roaming around in the night. So Pearly went to their balcony, and every night Pearly goes there and do like sit there on their balcony. So like they have AC, so Pearly go there and like वो लोग का घर का बाहर में ऐसे बैठ के रखता है. So and in the morning Pearly comes back and stuff like that. So this was happening for some few days. I did not know. I just knew that कि Pearly जाता है वहाँ कभी कभी, but I never knew that कि Pearly goes there and do the sit and stuff like that. So recently what happened is, like, it was early in the morning. I went to the balcony and I was just writing, and I was doing something. Then I saw there was a letter. So I got this letter from my Rosi boy, and there he have written like in Hindi. So like I'm very much poor in Hindi reading, but still I'll try to read this. I have read this already, but I'm gonna read it out to you guys. So he wrote like, I think he was very much paresan for Pearly, and it was my mistake because I should have been more careful. So he wrote like, अब लोगों को जानवर पसंद है तो अपने तक ही रखें हमें नहीं पसंद जानवर. Okay, I think he must have written in this tone like, आप लोगों को जानवर पसंद है तो अपने साथ ही रखें, हमें नहीं पसंद जानवर, कृपया हमें परेशान ना करें. मैंने पौधा लगाया है एंड आपके जानवर को खिलाने के लिए नहीं, और पाल आप रहे हो तो सीध आप ही कूट ही साफ करो. दूसरे के घर का बजाय सिद्ध करने के लिए. अगर फिर भी अपने जानवर को खुला छोड़ना है तो इतना प्रिकॉशंस तो रखें जिससे दूसरों को परेशान ना हो. प्लीज़ इतियात आई डोंट नो बरते ही दोबारा ना आए. बरते इस तरफ आपकी कैट, बल्ली को कैट बोल दिया, या फिर कोई भी जानवर रखो आप, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप अपने तक ही रखें प्लीज़. इट्स ए रिक्वेस्ट. हमें सारे पौधे खा गए, हमारे सारे पौधे खा गए. आई डोंट लाइक दिस. प्लीज़ कीप योर कैट अवे फ्रॉम माई साइड. थैंक यू. So yes, so बच तो गया कि this was a जवान boy, so बच गया. और अगर कोई आंटी होता तो me and Pearly would have been in a छोटा जेल. Yes, और उस आंटी पूरा कॉलोनी को चिल्ला के हंगामा मचा देता है. Pearly and me छोटा जेल. So thank God कि ये कोई जवान लड़का है तो थोड़ा इतना बच गया. So Pearly को बहुत समझा के रखना पड़ेगा. So ये this morning I have like sellotape all that area and पूरा इतना रख दिया so that Pearly can't go there. And yes, I can show you that area. So this is the area. Okay, you shouldn't go there. Okay, okay pals. Okay, नहीं तो गैंग पिटाई होगा हम दोनों का. So that's it for this video, and thank you so much for this video. And also I'm like can't wait for my friends to come to Delhi, because they're gonna come for first time, and I'll take them to like everywhere. And we are going to this Himachal and Kashmir, and also we are like going to like, you know, this trekking and camping and stuff like that. It's gonna be like a very adventurous travel, and also yes, I'm very excited. It will be very adventurous, like camping and trekking in the mountains. So it's gonna be fun, and like we are dedicating our July month for that. July, like probably there's no work for me in July month. I'm gonna go travel and like make very good contents. So I'm not gonna take Pearly with me, or leave Pearly in my neighborhood or somewhere. So we are like going on a very low budget, and also when my friends will come here, it will be like crazy to make videos with them. I was like missing this vibe with my friends, to be around them. So we'll be going to Sarojini, and also we'll be going to this malls, like luxurious malls like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Though we are like not gonna buy anything from there, but just for experience. I always wanted to like enter Gucci and Louis Vuitton and Chanel and everything. So but you know, I never wanted to go alone there. Because I know it'll be just for window shopping and just for experience. So I did not want to experience that alone. I want to experience that with my friends, so it'll be crazy with them. Outside will be like, we are very standard, we can afford Gucci. But reality is like broke, so that doesn't matter. So that doesn't matter at all. Just waiting for my friends to come here and we're gonna roam around everywhere. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I have talked too much. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.